Good day, I am Anika from the Travel World Online Newsroom, bringing you today's top headlines. First, Saudi Arabia launches the digital package visa for streamlined travel bookings. Air India partners with Access Rail to offer seamless air rail journeys across Italy. Riyadh Air opens ticket sales for Mumbai to Riyadh flights, debuting August 4th. Karnataka resumes wildlife safari operations at Bandipur and Nagarhole National Parks. ITC Hotels signs a brand new 99-key welcome hotel in Mysuru. Veda Rehabilitation expands its luxury wellness ecosystem to Sikkim. Ayana Hospitality appoints OneRep Global as its official India PR partner. And Air India's Maharaja Club becomes the official travel partner for DP World PGTI. Now, the news in detail. Saudi Arabia has launched the Package Visa, a new digital initiative integrating tourist visa processing directly with travel bookings. Available initially through qualified providers in select markets, it allows travelers to secure flights, stays, and visas in a single process. Tourism Minister Ahmad Al Khatib stated this milestone will simplify the booking to arrival experience immensely. Traveling across Italy is set to become effortless for Indian travelers. Air India has partnered with the Access Rail network, integrating Italy's premium high-speed rail operator Italo into all major global distribution systems. Travel agents can now issue a single air and rail itinerary, linking arrivals at Rome and Milan seamlessly to Venice, Florence, and Naples. Saudi Arabia's newest carrier, Riyadh Air, has officially opened ticket sales for its inaugural India service, starting August 4, 2026. Operating daily flights between Mumbai and Riyadh using Boeing 787-9 Dreamliners. This launch marks a massive milestone in Saudi's Vision 2030 strategy to connect India to global destinations. Wildlife tourism in Karnataka has received a major boost. The state government has officially resumed safari and ecotourism operations at Bandipur and Nagarhole National Parks under enhanced safety protocols. This reopening ensures sustainable guided jungle access for travelers while actively supporting long-term conservation and local communities. ITC Hotels is accelerating its upscale expansion in South India. The hospitality giant has signed a management agreement for the Welcome Hotel Mysuru, a 99-key premium property developed in partnership with Sumeru Hospitality. The resort will feature over 5,000 square feet of banquet space to serve business, leisure, and weddings. Veda Rehabilitation and Wellness has launched a brand new luxury mental health and recovery retreat in Sikkim's Rumtek Hills. Marking its fourth national destination, the Himalayan facility blends professional clinical care with holistic therapies, strengthening India's high-end medical and wellness tourism landscape. Indonesia-based luxury hotel group Ayana Hospitality has appointed OneRep Global as its official PR partner in India. The strategic alignment aims to drive brand visibility and media storytelling for Ayana's elite Bali and Jakarta portfolios, tapping directly into India's booming luxury outbound travel segment. Finally, Air India's frequent flyer program, Maharaja Club, has signed as the official travel partner for the DP World PGTI tournaments. Running from August 2026 through April 2027, the alliance will support travel for professional players and tournament officials across the competitive golfing calendar. That's all in this bulletin for latest aviation and hospitality news. Keep watching Travel World Online. Signing off, I am Anika. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.